first supplication which will be discussed is found in chapter 2, verse 127.
Our Lord, accept this from us. Indeed you are the hearing, the knowing.
This supplication indicates the importance of sincerity as it makes it clear that one's intention is not hidden from Allah, the Exalted. This is a clear lesson for all Muslims, to ensure that their intention is correct, whenever they perform good deeds. The one who performs deeds to please someone, other than Allah, the Exalted, will be told to gain their reward from them, on Judgment Day, which will not be possible. This is confirmed, in a narration, found in Jami Tirmizi, number 3154. In addition, this supplication also teaches the important lesson of being humble to Allah, the Exalted. One should never be proud of anything they possess, or any righteous deed they perform, as they are only possible through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. The knowledge, inspiration, strength, and opportunity to complete a good deed are all granted by Allah, the Exalted. Having pride over a deed not only ensures its destruction, but if a person dies while possessing even an atom's worth of pride, will enter hell. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 266. A Muslim must always remember that Allah, the Exalted, could have easily inspired someone else to perform the good deed. Therefore, they should show humility and gratitude that they were chosen. Finally, this supplication indicates the importance of not only performing a good deed, but the importance of it being accepted by Allah, the Exalted, so that they gain reward in both worlds. This will only occur if a Muslim safely takes the righteous deed into the next world with them. This has been indicated in chapter 6, verse 160.
Whoever comes on the day of judgment with a good deed.
This verse clearly declares that whoever brings a good deed, meaning to Judgment Day, will be rewarded, not whoever performs a deed. A Muslim must therefore safeguard their deeds by protecting them from the evil traits which can destroy them, such as pride. This requires a Muslim to gain and act on knowledge in order to remove the bad characteristics they possess, which can lead to the destruction of their good deeds.